Hello everyone, our today's session is about the difference in see, look and watch. If I say, I see myself in the mirror before I go out. I look at myself in the mirror before I go out. I watch myself in the mirror before I go out. Are all these sentences correct? Are all these sentences same? If no, then what is the difference? We will discuss all these concepts, but before we begin, please subscribe to the channel if you are new here and press the bell icon so that you never miss an update from Curious Lessons. Let's begin. If we talk about see, it means to notice or become aware of someone or something by using your eyes. It is an involuntary action which we can't avoid. Every day, we see people, birds, food, clothes, etc. Example, did you see that bird? See here means that I wasn't looking for it. It just appeared. Let's take one more example. I can see mountains from the window. Moving next, see is also used to talk about appointments and visits. For example, I saw Dr. Gupta yesterday for my eye checkup. Here, usage of see means that I had an appointment with Dr. Gupta yesterday. Let's take another example. I will see my grandmother this winter. See here means that I will visit her this winter. We can also use see to talk about an experience which is completed. For example, let's say you watched a movie yesterday and it turned out to be funny. You will say, I saw a funny movie yesterday. We can also use see to talk about being romantically involved with someone. For example, are you seeing anyone at the moment? I am seeing this great guy from my office. We can also use see to say I understand. For example, we can't use the PCs today because they are all being repaired. Oh, I see. Here, OIC means I understand. Next, we are going to discuss usage of look. Look means to look at something for a reason with an intention. It means to direct your eyes in particular direction. For example, look at that strange man. Look, it's snowing outside. In both these examples, look means to pay attention. We can also use look with many phrasal verbs such as look at. Look at means to focus on something. For example, I could spend hours looking at paintings in the museum. I look at myself in the mirror before I go out. Here, in both the examples, look means to pay attention. Our next phrasal verb is look for. Look for means to search. For example, I am looking for my car keys. I am looking for a job. In both of these examples, looking for means searching. Next we will discuss look up. It has got two meanings. Its first meaning is to research information. For example, I don't remember that actor's name. I will look him up on Google. Look up also means to admire or respect. For example, I really look up to my father. He is such a great person. Here, look means that I admire and respect my father. Next we will talk about watch. Watch means to look at something carefully for an amount of time, usually at something which is moving. Films, performances, and games are the things that we can watch. Let's take an example. At a coffee shop, a friend may say, "I'm going outside for a minute. Would you please watch my bag?" Here, watch means that the friend wants you to pay attention to the bag for a period of time. We can also say, "I watch football every Saturday." We also use watch to say protect and take care. For example, let's say you have some plans for tomorrow night and you want your neighbor to look after your children. You can say, "Could you please watch my children tomorrow night?" Watch here means to look after. We use watch out to alert someone or ask them to be careful. For example, let's say you are a passenger in a car and a person all of a sudden jumps in front of the car. You can say to the driver, "Watch out." It means that you want the driver to be careful. So, this was all about our today's session. Do ask your doubts in the comment section. If you appreciate my efforts, please like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.